I'm down here at the lake today where we stored the RV, and I'm gonna install these headlights. This is a 2003 Winnebago, and for some reason these lights are real dark. They're not very bright. These are clear, but they're still not very bright. So what I've got is these LED lights off Amazon, and yes, they're made in China, where most everything is. They were like $80, and as far as it doesn't even have a name brand on it. It's just, that's the part number. But they've got a high and low beam, and then this is a halo around the light, and instead of these stay on all the time, dim for driving lights, and then this will have a white halo around it for driving lights, and you can wire it in to where your turn signal, which is this part here, will actually flash this halo, but it'll be yellow. So, and I think the low beam is just this row of lights, and maybe that one, but high beam is all of them. And this is the type of plug. So, and it doesn't have any instructions with it. I'm just gonna have to probe the wiring and see what's what to get it all hooked up. But I'll take you along with me while I explore. So here we go. And then take these screws out of this ring that holds these lights in. I just washed this thing yesterday, but couldn't get behind that beauty ring. I have to clean all that up before I put these back on. Okay, I need to touch up the paint on that. Okay, that's loose. That's just got a 2-prong plug, where this one has a 3-prong. So the spacing of these 2 prongs are the same, but that's different. I took some pictures on my phone. They had a few instructions on the Amazon website, so I'll have to look at that and see how to wire this up. Reason why that light looks so dark, and it's because all the silver that's supposed to be on the back is gone. You can see a little bit of remnants of it here, but see, when all that silver's gone, you can see right through the light. And as soon as you put it in here, it gets dark. So that's strange. But these are probably the original 2003 lights. Let's hold this up there and see what it's going to look like. Yeah, I think I'm going to like that. Okay, that's high beam. Just plug directly into the old socket. I've just got that third ear bent over because that's just the two-prong sprocket. Now I gotta figure out the driving lights. Okay, I'm not going to be much help on the wiring because I think each vehicle is going to be different. But it's got these adapters, so it's easy to change pins and stuff. I've got one side put in and the high and low beam are working. I still got to get the halos working. But I think it looks a lot more modern. It looks like a newer RV. These are kind of retro looking lights anyway for a 2003 because my truck's 2003 and it's got a lot more modern looking headlights on it. But I like the look of it. So anyway, let me turn them on. Show you what they look like. Well, it sure is a white light compared to the yellow light. I really like it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk to everybody later. Bye. There's finished with both lights in it. I think it looks good.